welcome to a new video. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am currently walking and waiting for my cousin because today is going to be another vlog where I'm going to do nothing special but just meet up with my best friend, my cousin, and that's all that you're going to see in this vlog in Germany, so be prepared. I hope it's going to be very interesting. I even brought my camera with me, so let's make this a very good day, as simple as it is. It's funny to be in my old city, but it's so boring. I didn't remember it to be this boring, so yeah, let's hope this vlog is interesting, I guess. Somehow I have no clue which one he's taking, so I just have to be patient and wait for him right here. Somehow I'm still not comfortable vlogging and talking while people are there. It's just so weird because they look at me as if I'm the weirdo, because I'm not the weirdo. I need to breathe. And we're going to go see where we used to live before, walk around the places where we had lived before, because my cousin lives in Cologne and I live in Belgium. So it's going to be interesting, and his train is arriving in 2 minutes. He just told me that he takes one specific one. No one looks like my cousin here. Oh! There he is! The pastor. Namaste. Look at the outfit. This is not on purpose matching. Oh, Nostalgie, ich komm nicht klar.
Oder? Nee, das war Müger.
Hello! Currently discovering our old city again.
Yes,
and we're
sir.
finding places that we visited, but I forgot. I thought this doesn't make any sense.
Like, I remember, so like, I don't know, 10 years, more than 10 years ago, way more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years, but less
I would
than 15.
say, yeah, 13 years.
13 years.
13 years ago we were here at these places. I'm going to show them to you, but it's ridiculous how beautiful they are today. But then I wouldn't have even spent a minute here sitting there looking at these places. How incredibly beautiful is that? And when we were younger, we didn't even care for this. We didn't even look for this. So beautiful! We really did some tourism like never before.
Yeah.
And this was kind of a nostalgia moment for us, because it was literally going back to where we were before, when we were 13. No,
We were born here.
we were born
Grew up
here. Unbelievable. But even this angle is cute. But would we go back to live here?
No way. No way.
No, ma'am.
There's too much love for Cologne.
Yeah,
So
true.
for a greatest city, actually, that can do more than here. Till now in Cologne, I've not even seen half of all the things you can see or do. So
Hasta la vista. Ciao, ciao. Now I'm with one of my best friends, Lulu.
Hey.
And we're going to pick up my best friend, Alanda. She's going to be very, very timid on the camera, but we're going to eat some sushi. So na hallo.
Ey, aber die koreanischen Nudeln sind ziemlich gut. Ja, ist doch normal.
Dankeschön.
Das ist Sushi. Wollt ihr irgendwas schreiben?
Ja, danke schön.
Ich kann sowas nicht, siehst du, ich bin so untalentiert. Deswegen ist gut, dass du mich nicht filmst beim Essen. Was hast du gesagt?
Miam.
Guck mal, was für eine hässliche Topfsoße. Ich bin immer diejenige, die kaum Soße zu alles isst, so.
Nein.
Ich bestelle mir bei Wraps bei McDonald's, bestelle ich die Soße ab. Immer.
Ich denke mir so, Alanda behält das
Aneinander
aus.
runter allein. Hey, manche sind wenn die abbezahlt sind. So, weißt du, mein Onkel gibt nicht meine Cousine. Was? Dann hab ich das Wer nicht mein Gesicht, ey.
Wie heißt du?
Du hättest das so mit Untertiteln so. Und dann so. Nein, wirklich, Alter. Du stellst dich so schön und willst dann nicht.
I mean, ich bin ja da.
Mhm. Wir sitzen ja noch lange hier. Ach, dürfen wir wieder bestellen? Es wird, meine Freunde. Aber das mit dem Haus haben wir gerade gegeben, Alter.
Unsere Cousine will das Haus abkaufen.
Ach so, die will das Haus haben.
Danke.
Und dann sagst du, das Haus gehört dafür. Oh, die streiten sich damit auf einmal.
Hey boy with the pretty face, I'd like to ask you how you're doing today. I like your style and I like your taste. I think maybe we go together great. It's not a fight, just a matter of opinion. But my opinion really got me thinking I could travel into outer space.
Nein. Ein Video. Cute. Since I'm making a vlog, I'm gonna take you on a little walk with me where everything is green. Everything is green and it's beautiful. Once you're gone from a place, it's when you enjoy the things the most or you have more nostalgia. Oh. And I think it's because the weather is so beautiful. There's this little path. And it brings you to a little closed place, but so beautiful. Wait, you have this here. I'm discovering it with you as well, people, don't worry. And I think this has a beautiful view as well. But look at this. This vlog is going to be called Lea is Discovering the Nature. Infinite legs here. Why do I always feel the need to come here? So this is going to be the end of my vlog. I am currently going back home with the same train that I came with. Time flies so fast, and now I have to go back to reality and to make some money to live. I hope that you enjoyed it. I did it as interesting as I could. You didn't hear me talk too much, I remember, but I tried to show everything that I saw as if you were at these specific places with me. And I hope this kind of idea was nice for you. Stay safe, stay alive, please subscribe, and see you in my next video very, very soon. Adios.